And welcome to the 37th episode of Season 16 of Eagle News here at Hyatt's Middle School.
Today is Friday, October 28th, 2022. My name is Audrey.
And my name is Ellie. Today is National Chocolate Day.
I love chocolate. Chocolate is very popular all year round. Especially with Halloween coming up, you'll be seeing a lot of chocolate. Ellie, what's your favorite kind of chocolate?
My favorite kind of chocolate is dark chocolate. Audrey, what's yours?
My favorite is definitely milk chocolate. With this chilly weather, I'm craving a cup of hot chocolate.
Thanks, Colton.
Girls, I think that your dark chocolate complements your lunch that you're going to let us know about later today.
Yeah! Speaking of chilly weather, I wonder what's the weather today?
Let's head over to Kit in the green screen weather studio.
Thank you, guys. Today's weather is a high of 63 and the low is 36 degrees Fahrenheit. The weather in Cheyenne, Wyoming today is 57 and a low of 33. This weather is my favorite. Actually, no, it's not. I like the summer. Now let's go back to Ellie and Audrey in the studio.
Thank you for that weather report, Kit. Before we talk about lunch, I think it's time for a call-in. Be the 8th caller to call 3416 with the correct answer to the following question. Good luck.
The question for today is, what is the room that college students live in named? Again, what's the room that college students live in named?
Call in now.
Hey Audrey, what are you having for lunch?
I'm having a crunch roller. What are you having for lunch, Ellie?
For lunch, I'm keeping it simple with a 12-ounce steak, baked potato, also mashed potatoes, and asparagus.
Oh, yeah, that's the lunch. Where's that lunch coming from?
Hey Eagles! Today for lunch we have stromboli, chicken queso, bacon wrap, and pizza of the day. With your select subs, salads, and sandwiches, and a vegetable of the day, and milk. Bye!
That food sounds delicious.
Hey Ellie, have you seen the new Hocus Pocus movie?
Nope. How about you, Audrey?
I haven't seen it yet either.
Let's go check out the current events with Emmy and Maddie.
About Hocus Pocus.
Maddie.
I'm Emmy.
And we're going to be giving you a little inside scoop on the new movie,
Hocus Pocus 2!
Almost 30 years after Bette Midler, Kathy Najimy, and Sarah Jessica Parker blessed us, or should we say cursed us, with what's widely considered the official film of the spooky season. The trio is back as our favorite witches in the sequel to the Disney classic Hocus Pocus.
The new movie recircuits both Sanderson sisters and some of the original movie's premise. A trio of high school students has to try and stop them from seeking revenge on the town of Salem after mistakenly unleashing some dark magic and bringing them back to life. Wouldn't you be tempted to light the black flame candle to hear Midler belt out a show tune?
I'm Maddie,
I'm Emmy.
reporting with Eagle News. Make sure to go watch the new Hocus Pocus movie.
Congratulations to Miss Voss for winning the call-in.
There's only a couple days before all the holiday stuff starts to arrive and Halloween stuff is over. Watch Hocus Pocus now if you want to.
Now it's time to stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hey Audrey, what's your favorite chip flavor?
I'm basic. I just really like the normal chips. What about you, Ellie?
I like the jalapeno cheddar chips.
I think we're talking about, isn't it chips like chocolate chips?
Huh?
No, it is potato chips, that's right.
Let's check out what Addie
Sour
Madison.
cream and cheddar.
Let's check out what Addie, Madison, and Caroline said about all the top 5 chip flavors.
This is Caroline,
Madison,
And Addie.
and we're going around heights to find out what the top 5 chip flavors are.
let's roll it!
Coming in 5th place in the top 5 chip flavors, we have cheddar. Cheddar is a very sharp and tangy flavor that is guaranteed to leave your tongue begging for more. Now let's send it over to Addie to figure out who came in 4th place.
Thanks, Madison. Coming in number 4, we have sour cream and onion. Sour cream and onion is a very distinct, bold chip flavor that you either love or you hate.
It's my favorite because it tastes good.
Let's send it to Caroline to figure out what number 3 is.
Thanks, Addie, for the introduction. In 3rd place, we have barbecue. Barbecue chips are filled with many spices and are super delicious.
My favorite chip is barbecue because they're tasteful.
Now let's head over to Madison to see who the runner-up is.
Coming in 2nd place as our runner-up, we have the original chip. These OGs might be plain and a little bit basic, but cut them some slack. They hit the spot every time.
Regular because it's just like so scrumdiddlyumptious.
Now let's send it over to Addie and Caroline to figure out who won 1st place.
Madison, and in 1st place, we have salt and vinegar chips.
Salt and vinegar chips are by far the best chip. They're so tasty, so salty, and always leave you begging for more.
Salt and vinegar chips easily outshine all the other chip flavors. We love you, salt and vinegar!
Salt and vinegar potato chips are my favorite flavor because when I was pregnant with my daughter, I started eating them and wanted them every day. And now it reminds me of when I was pregnant with Alexis.
I'm Addie.
And I'm Madison here reporting for Eagle News.
Make it a great day, Eagles. Bye.
Hey Audrey, what time is it?
I think it's trivia time.
Hey everybody,
It's time for trivia!
Oh, Sincere did not participate. Let's do it again.
Cece! Hey everybody, it's time for trivia! Let's head over to Kit in the green screen studio to find out today's trivia.
Thank you, Ellie and Audrey, and welcome to today's trivia. Yesterday's trivia was give a word that rhymes with the word boil. Again, the top answers were soil for 33 points, foil for 22 points, coil for 14 points, toil for 9 points, oil for 8 points, and royal for 5 points. And the top advisories were Valls, Nicolosi, Voss, Diekman, Meyer, Harvey Jeffrey, Harris, Vickers, King, Stevens, Turner, Osborne, and Flory. Now for today's question, selected in study hall yesterday. Apart from books, name something you'd find in a library. Again, name something you would find in a library. Send 2 answers to Mr. Meta to earn today's points for trivia. That's all for trivia. Let's take it back to the studio.
Good luck, teachers, and thank you, Kit, for today's trivia.
The next segment is definitely our favorite. Let's check out Mr. Meta's best thing.
Woo! Mr. Meta said that best video of the day was from one of our teachers. Text him if that's your video.
That was an
Start that
amazing.
over because our studio audience is looking at the preview screen.
Mr. Meta said that video was from one of our teachers. Text him if that was your video.
That was an amazing video. What was your favorite clip, Ellie?
Well, my favorite clip was the only clip, the cat and the dog.
I really like that one too.
Hey Audrey, I'm really excited for winter. What's your favorite winter activity?
I would have to say building a snowman.
I love sledding.
Let's see what some of your Eagles' favorite winter activities are with Chase and Alex.
Ooh, it's cold out here, Eagles. Today we're walking around asking people's favorite winter activities.
My favorite winter activity is snowboarding.
Winter activity is sledding.
My favorite winter sport is ice hockey.
My favorite winter activity is skiing.
My favorite winter activity is snowboarding.
My favorite winter activity is throwing snow at my sister's face.
My favorite winter activity is skiing.
My favorite winter activity is playing in the snow.
My favorite winter activity is skiing or snowboarding.
My favorite winter activity is throwing snowballs.
My favorite winter activity is snowboarding.
My favorite winter activity is snowball fights.
My favorite winter activity is when the fireplace is on and I'm all cozied up with a blanket and a really good book and just chilling out.
Before we go, we wanted to celebrate the birthdays from the past week. Happy birthday to the following Eagles.
Worldwide birthday.
My name is Piper. My name is Ella. And here's today's birthdays. Happy birthday to Arush M, Reese P, Addie B, Jack M, Ashley M, Dedrick S, Anthony D, Giovanna H, Roger H, and Alicia M.
Also, happy birthday to Miss Kreider, Mrs. Navarre, and Buckerfield.
Happy birthday!
That's all we have for you today, Eagles.
Hope you all have a wonderful day today, and we hope you liked today's broadcast.
Wonderful
Weekend. Eagle News will be back on Monday for episode 38. Don't forget to wear your costume for a continuing Red Ribbon Week.
Have an amazing day. My name is Audrey.
My name is Ellie.
And my name's Kit.
Have a great day, Eagles.
Bye!
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head says, get out and play, 'cause you never feel